Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create abstract background logo animation in PowerPoint. It's going to be like this, the logo, and it will be having a abstract background effect. Let's learn how to create this in PowerPoint. Let's download the abstract background images from net. Let's go to Google and let's type abstract background images and download the images whichever you like. I downloaded already, so you can see here I downloaded some few images already which we're going to use for today's tutorial. Let's insert new slide, new blank slide, go to insert, shapes, take a rectangle, just drag fully to the slide, shape outline, no outline. Then we go to insert, go to word art, and we select any of this word art and type MPT, any logo, whatever you wanted to create for today's tutorial. Let's increase the size. And this one also will increase the size. Little bit we can reduce. And we go to shape format, align center and align middle. Now we have to select the square first and then select this one and go to shape format, merge shapes, subtract. Now the text what we created is merged with the rectangle. Now we need to make duplicate of this rectangle. We can make duplicate by holding Control D. Control D is duplicate. In this tutorial, I'm going to use only some 4 background animation. 4. So we created 4. So I'll just keep it one by one like this. Let's go to, we'll select any one of the abstract background. Click on this, cut, Control X. We are cutting and we're going to paste in the one of the rectangle. Click, right click, go to format shape, go to fill, picture or text fill, and click on clipboard. So whatever we copied from the previous one, it will be automatically merged to the background of this picture. We'll go to again, we'll take this picture, Control X, cut, and we'll select another rectangle. We'll go to picture text, text fill, again go to clipboard. So it will copy the whatever in the memory of the clipboard. Again we'll go to one more We'll take this one, Control X, select this one, go to texture add fill and copy it on the clipboard, and we'll select last one. We'll select this one or this one, Control X, select this one, text or picture fill, go to clipboard. So now we have copied all 4 images. Let's select all, go to picture format, align center and align middle, and we'll just paste it in the center of the slide. Now we have already created the 4 abstract background images. Now we need to give the animation for this one. We'll go to go to animation. We'll give the animation called appear animation. So let's select the animation pane. You can see all 4 images having the appear images. So but we have to give some delay timing of 0.2 seconds. We can put 0.2 seconds for every images. 0.2, then 0.4, then 0.6. So let's go and run the let's see. So now we added the abstract background. Let's zoom out. To create to have a effect, let's insert a square on the top of this image with white background, which this will give a 16:9 effect, maybe like video effect. Now let's run. So it's like this, and we will create this as a GIF animation. In Office 365 there is option available, but in other version it's not available. I will teach how to make it in Office 365. Let's export, create an animated GIF, create GIF, I just created. Okay, today we learned how to create the abstract background images in PowerPoint. Thank you, friends.